McLovin, what are you doing? What are you doing? We got a show to do.
Dan, he said he's preparing for Against the Grain. He's just going to ransack the set.
Can he ransack the set when we're done with the show?
He said it's vital. Against the Grain is moments away.
Don't take the Brady and golf jerseys, knucklehead. Do you guys know what's going on here?
The props department said he's being a pain in the what? You know what?
Okay.
That's all I know.
All right. This is the return of Against the Grain. Nobody asked for it, but McLovin has decided to bring back Against the Grain. McLovin, McLovin, do you want us over there?
Yeah, come on over here.
Oh, God. What could go wrong? Okay. McLovin taking a lot of the stuff off of the set here. And...
Okay. I'm going to break down the X's and O's of what's going to happen in the Super Bowl. All right, Dan. As you know, Patriots employ a fullback on 34% of their snaps, the second most in the NFL. So the Rams know this with their two big fellows up here, Ndamukong Suh.
Yeah, he is large.
And Aaron Donald.
Okay.
Their linebacking core is a little weak, as we know. Now, what's going to happen is, as you said, they have to stop the run. But the Patriots know what the Rams are going to do. So they're going to flex out this little fella, James Devlin, out to wide receiver, play action, sucks in the linebackers.
Easy, easy.
Oh. Then this guy, this is Edelman, is going to come out here and be wide open right there. Key play, play action. Now, we're going to...
How thought out is this?
Well, it was Kyler Murray hit me really hard with a pass, and I kind of lost it. Now, if we switch sides and Goff is here, what is the key strategy point for the Rams, right? They're going to do a pre-snap read where this guy is going to come out here.
Who's that guy?
That is Brandon Cooks.
Okay.
He's going to come around here, jet sweep, fake it. But did you know, according to Next Gen Stats, Jared Goff holds the ball the fifth longest time in the NFL, which leads the Patriots to blitz with Kyle Van Noy, take this guy down.
Oh.
Patriots win 28-24, New England victory. You heard it right here, Against the Grain Productions.
Nicely done, nicely done.
Well done.
Hey, Dan, this was 2 years in the making.
I put all my resources into the video teaser, Dan. I had nothing left. I had to scramble.
Can you put that stuff back on my desk?
Yes.
That'd be nice. That's well done, McLovin.
I like it.
That's kind of a sympathy applause is what you got there, McLovin. I don't know if it was that good.
It felt like Legos.
Yeah. So
All
hopefully... Right. You can just sit down now.
It's just as great.
Just sit down. It's pathetic. Yes, Paulie.
Against the Grain is just as great as it was back in the old days, as we've seen. Nothing has changed.
Yeah.
For more Dan Patrick Show, tune to Audience Channel 239 on DirecTV or download the Dan Patrick Show app.